Hi, I'm Alex. Today I want to show you how to weather a project. In this example I'm going to use it to make this bone look dirty and old, but you can use it to get a whole arrangement of effects. And if you want to see more about this model I'm holding in my hand, I will upload a video within the next week where I show how I build it. So let's just get started. So to make a brush, this is the things you need. I have a cup with some water, some brown acrylic paint, and some thinned white paint I'm going to need. First thing I'm going to do is to take a drop of this. Going to put it into, let's take this one. Just a small amount, right on that drop. Something around that. Now I'm just going to take some water. I'm going after 20 drops. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 19, 20. Then I'm going to take the brush here. Just wipe off the most of the white paint. And I'm just going to mix in the brown paint into the wall. Then I'm just going to take some paper to test out the color. See if I need more of something. See, I think I need a bit more brown and a bit more black. So let me just add that. Like that. And then black. Again, really small part. I want this to be black, I just want it to be a bit darker. So with that in, I'm just going to mix it up again. And I'm just going to test the color. I think that is pretty good. So then I'm just going to take my model. I have put masking tape or painter's tape, what you want to call it, on the areas where I don't need the paint or where I don't want the paint. So now I'm just going to splash the paint all over the model, and it will naturally seep into small crevices where dirt also naturally will sit. Over something like glass, as I'm doing, so that you don't need to worry about the paint staining the workbench. It's better to use too much paint than too little. If you use too much paint, it's just going to drip off and land on the table, and that you can just wipe off with a cloth. Like this. Now I'm just going to let the model sit for about 20 minutes, and then I will be back.
20 minutes later.
Now I'm I'm just going to wipe off the extra paint. The method here is pretty simple. The longer time you let it dry, the more dirty it will get. But this has reached the state of, don't know if you call it dirtiness, that I wanted, so I'm just going to wipe off the extra paint. And here you have the result after the final wetting. You can see, as I said, in the area where dirt naturally will sit, it's more darker than in the rest of the area. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you will see more specific tutorials like this one, don't forget to leave a like, and I will see you guys in the next video.